Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and on this channel we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss our next upload. In today's video, we're going to delve into the benefits and medicinal uses of Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil, an essential oil that has captivated aromatherapy enthusiasts for centuries with its rich floral scent and myriad of therapeutic benefits. We're also going to be looking at how to use this oil, the types of Ylang-Ylang Essential Oils, where you can get it to buy, and some precautions. Stay tuned for more. Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil is a sweet floral scented oil that comes primarily from the water and steam distillation of the vibrant yellow flowers of a tree that is commonly referred to as a Ylang-Ylang tree and is scientifically known as Cananga odorata var. Genuine. Please note, however, that there is another type of essential oil that is closely related to this oil, and that oil is called Cananga oil. It's very similar to Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil in terms of appearance and use, and it comes from the flowers of a tree that is scientifically known as Cananga odorata macrophylla, which is a variety of Cananga odorata. So back to Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil. It's widely utilized in the food industry. It's used in aromatherapy. It's used as an ingredient in skin and hair care products, as well as things like scented candles, massage oils, lotions, and soaps. And it's used as an insecticide. The Ylang-Ylang tree is also called perfume tree because the oil from its flowers is used to make perfumes, including Coco Chanel's classic perfume. It's native to Southeast Asia but has been naturalized here in Jamaica and in other tropical and subtropical countries. Ylang-Ylang flowers are used to make different types of essential oils, and these oils vary in intensity of their scent. There are essentially 5 different types of Ylang-Ylang essential oils, and they are sometimes labeled according to their ranking during the distillation process. There is Ylang-Ylang Essential Oils number 1, 2, and 3, and the scent of these oils are not as strong. In fact, they are less potent in the order of number 1, 2, and 3, but these scents are denser and they last longer. These are used as middle and base notes. Ylang-Ylang Extra, this is the one that has the strongest scent, but it goes away quickly and is mostly used in perfumery. Then there's Ylang-Ylang Complete Essential Oil now, and this one has all 4 scent levels from extra to number 3. In Jamaica, Ylang-Ylang flowers are steeped into olive oil for several days, and then the oil is strained and used to make a very relaxing warm bath. People usually do this by adding the oil to a warm water bath, and then they just lay in this water bath for a period of time to help them to relax. This bath also promotes really good sleep and is useful for depression and high blood pressure. In other parts of the world, the oil is used to enhance the feeling of euphoria when people are having sex, and also to help reduce sexual anxiety. The oil is oftentimes used in aromatherapy to treat anxiety, depression, and insomnia. People apply the oil onto their skin to give it a youthful glow and to help prevent signs of aging or irritation. They use the fresh flowers to make a paste and inhale it to treat asthma. It's also said to be useful for skin irritations, conjunctivitis, boils, and gout, when applied topically. People put the flowers into their bath water to help with impotence and frigidity. And people use the dried flowers to treat malaria and malaria-like symptoms. Research has shown that the oil has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and cytotoxic properties, and that it is effective at reducing a type of fungal infection called Candida albicans. It is also said that it can help lower inflammation, help our immune systems to function better, promote blood flow, that it's good for controlling blood pressure, it can regulate heartbeat and help with cardiac issues, it can fight parasites, and it's good for healthy intestinal function. Studies suggest that inhaling the oil had a sedative effect, which reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure rates and heart rate in healthy men, and because it has mild sedative effects and can reduce stress responses like a fast heartbeat and high blood pressure, the oil is also said to be useful for promoting good sleep and also for people with chronic fatigue syndrome. Inhaling some of the oil is said to have immediate positive effects on your mood and can be useful as a remedy for anxiety and depression. Research has shown that it may be useful for helping to quell negative emotions like anger, jealousy, and low self-esteem, and that it can cut down on anxiety and enhance self-esteem when it is applied to the skin or inhaled. Research has shown that the oil can stimulate oil production in the skin, and that high-quality Ylang-Ylang oil has a lot of compounds that show positive results for the treatment of a number of skin disorders. These compounds were tested on melanoma skin cells, and the conclusion is that this oil has antioxidants that can help protect our skin from oxidative stress and skin damage that can lead to the formation of the big C cells. For people who are always feeling tired, the oil is said to be useful to them as it can give them energy. Research has shown that it can also stimulate oil production in the scalp. It's said to prevent tangles and dandruff, and that it can help to thicken hair and can help with hair loss. The oil has been shown to increase sex drive in both men and women too. To help control high blood pressure and to prevent an irregular heartbeat, it is said that you can combine the oil with a carrier oil and massage a single drop over your heart every day. To use it for anxiety, stress, and tension, it is recommended for you to diffuse it in your home, massage it into your skin, or mix it into warm bath water. To protect your skin, it is recommended that you combine 1 or 2 drops of the oil with coconut or jojoba oil and massage it into the face once or twice daily. To promote healthy hair, it is recommended that you massage it into your scalp along with some coconut oil or jojoba oil. To boost your sex drive, it is recommended for you to diffuse it into your room, inhale it from the bottle, add a drop to your body lotion, or put a small amount on your bed sheets or shirt collar. To prevent poor blood flow or feelings of stress and anxiety that can interfere with healthy digestion, it is said that you should try massaging it over the digestive organs. For those who are interested, you can get the oil to buy on Amazon. In fact, there are a lot of sellers on there selling the product. To check out some of these products, please click on the links in the description below. Use the oil sparingly. The oil can be irritating to the skin and can cause contact dermatitis in some people. Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil must be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut oil in a ratio of 1:1 before applying it, and a patch test should be carried out on the skin before using it. Keep the oil out of your eyes, ears, and nose. Be cautious if you have low blood pressure, and if you're on blood pressure medication or have heart issues, it's recommended for you to speak to your medical doctor before using the oil. If you're going to be inhaling the oil, make sure to mix it with water, either indirectly or directly by using a room diffuser or individual inhaler. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in the information provided today, and I'll see you in the next video.